What is up, guys? It is a new day. Today, as you guys might imagine, we are doing the next step to fixing the 350Z to get it back on the road. We have Vince with us again. Should be pretty kind of simple-ish, kind of. Everything's easy access. It's right here all open. He's gonna turn the wheel, and then we're gonna take off the two lower control arms. Okay, we have something right here. Look at this big box. Oh man. You see that? Oh man. That actually looks really clean. There's some little boots too, that's awesome. I don't know which side is which though. We figured out that there's little letters on them. So we got the L's, because we're not taking an L. Get it? Unless we grabbed the wrong side completely. Nope, we got the right side. That's that side, right like that. Ooh, that's gonna look cool and nice and shiny with the new stuff. And then this one is just gonna go in like that. Oh, that'll look good. Kind of looking forward to it. But without further ado, guys, we're gonna undo the coilover first and then take off this first brace. Oh man, dude, this thing is on there. Dude, I've never had anything like this tough, especially with like a breaker bar.
Yeah.
We'll see. Dang, that is on there. Okay, so we learned the hard way. So you have to go through the other side. This is the bolt side, the other side is the nut side. So you see this? See how it doesn't look like a bolt? You have to, or a nut, you have to go from the other side. Every time we spin the thing underneath, it just, the entire thing just spins, free spins, which is stupid. Cause I don't expect how it wants us to undo it. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys in a second after we try and get this undone. Okay guys, we just finally got undone that one thing that was horrendous to try and do. But we did it, finally. I'm straightening out this pin right there, and then we can take off the rack and pinion coupler and then the other end of this and then replace it all. Okay, we're headed over to probably Pep Boys because we need the last little wrench thingy, adjustment thing, bob. We need a tool from Pep Boys, so we're gonna head over there real quick. We'll get back to you guys in a second. Alrighty, sorry to update you guys back at home, but we just got the part that we needed, the little adjuster size thingamabob. We're gonna finish taking off the lower subframe of the front, and then we'll get back to you guys. Oh, there's two more. I didn't see those. Okay. Oh, you wanna get me that kit again?
Oh.
Oh, that is so close. I love these bolt extractor guys. These make a tough job really easy, actually. I really like that. Okay, so this should just come out now, theoretically. So this just pops right off now. There's a good deal. Oh man. Fine. Ugh. With that all done, we can come over and inspect it and show what the difference is. Yeah. Does it look kind of more bent? It looks kind of bent.
Yeah.
Like angle wise, see that how it's more flat and this isn't?
Mm-hmm. Same thing happened with this one. This one is more bent. This one's flat and that one isn't, and it's kind of angled differently and stuff. So that should be able to fix that. We're putting on this bolt now, guys, so that we can get this thing all back on in. Okay, we just got this one on, just twisted the little cotter pin around here. We're gonna try and put that frame back into place and lift it back up, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we just put that back up, the lower frame and stuff. So the next thing we're gonna have to do is get the other frame in there and bolt it on, and then we'll go from there. So we ran out of time. I have work and stuff right now. We got everything put back in. We were able to bend back that rack and pinion endlet thing, but we bent the endlet, so I'm gonna have to pick up some of those and some other minor things. After all that's all done, I'm gonna wait. Probably I'll see tomorrow if I can finish up that's broken, and then we'll go from there. But thank you for watching for today's video, guys. Please make sure to tell friends about it. Or subscribe. I don't know. I don't really care. Alrighty, guys. Take care. Nothing left to say. I guess it's time to end it.